this water is pretty gross. Alright everyone, it is September 20th. No, I think it's Wednesday. Anyways, we're at a new place. Another episode of Outside with Ed, and I'm about to make it real sketchy here, so I'm told I can get in the water, so that's what I'm gonna do. It's real sketch though. This water is stagnant and stanky. But, let's see what we're gonna get today. Been a long time since I creek fished, so I thought I might try it out. Alright, got something. Nice panfish. Alright, so, oh gosh, you know, there's definitely stuff out here. This is the spot here. Alright everyone, got a better spot. I'm just gonna take the boat back. Alright everyone. Finally catching again. Another panfish here. It's like not meant to be for me to catch these bass. Oh gosh. I don't know if you all saw that, but that sucked. Since I caught anything, but nice looking cichlid. Generally, I know it's not the same as panfish, technically, but I tend to comb the fins down. And then same thing on the other side, comb it down. Get a good little hold. Did I unhook it? Alright, nice, huh? You can go on this side. same thing. I don't know if you all can see that, but same thing. Combing it down. There's obviously some weird fin issues on this guy here. So comb them down. And we're good. Better on this side. Wow. Oh, got something big, got something huge, and I don't have poop. I have a panfish here. Got a bunch of weeds on them too. I don't know why I threw it back in. Alright, so pretty big, pretty decent size. Again, combing them down. Gotta watch where your pinky is sometimes because they have the back fins too, so continue combing down. And here we are. Nice. Just another panfish, everyone. Alright everyone, I've been out here for a few hours. I'm going to stick it out for a little bit longer, but now that I have another catch, I want to do a little shout out. A couple of guys, gentleman by the name of ATXNATUREBOY. I actually personally met him while carp fishing a couple weeks ago. Real nice guy. He's got a couple of nice vids on his channel. Lots of carp fishing on there, so if you're a fan of that, definitely check him out. I'd also like to return the favor. I recently received a shout out from a gentleman with the handle of Texas Roadrunner. Real nice guy. I've seen a bunch of his videos. He's got just a good variety of humor, fishing, outdoors, just anything like that. Tons of unboxing. If you're into that, Lucky Tackle Box and Mystery Tackle Box and such, if you enjoy openings, I would definitely check out his channel as well. He definitely did me a good favor by giving me a shout out, and I definitely received a good number of views, comments, and subscribers based on that, so I definitely want to say I really appreciate that, and you know, we'll continue going from there. It's really not what I'm looking for. Wow. Smallest one today. Ew. Stuck in the hook. Alright, I lied. This will be my last one. looks like a last catch of the day. A nice little panfish. Splashing right into my mouth. Loving it. Alright, everyone. I'd say that's gonna be a wrap for me. Alright, I was out here for a few hours, as you can see, got a pretty decent number of fish. This water, I believe, is Bull Creek, and it does flow through Austin. Alright, to make my way on back. Again, I would like to just say, I haven't posted much. And recently it's just been really busy. The times that I do go fishing, I'm pretty sure I've made at least 6 trips before this video. A couple of videos, there were some catches, but most there weren't, so that's why I haven't really uploaded anything. I just don't want to upload empty stock footage for you all. But as you can see, we'll have another one today. And then the fish I caught, Kim caught a carp not that long ago, and I will try to post that at some point as well.